Hi everyone, welcome back to Recipe Kit channel. Kangkung Belacan is a very popular and well-loved veggie dish in Singapore, and today I'm going to share on how to cook Kangkung Belacan. And the ingredients need to be prepared are kangkung or water spinach, dried shrimp, wash and soak with water for 10 minutes to soften, belacan or shrimp paste, red chili, 3 cloves garlic, shallot, salt, half teaspoon of sugar, broth powder, and cooking oil. And now we'll blend the spice in the traditional way by pounding using a mortar and pestle. As for the first step, I'm going to blend all the spice, shallot, garlic, dried shrimp, red chili and the belacan, and salt. Blend until slightly fine will do. As for the next step, I will heat up the cooking oil. Saute the blended mixture. With low heat about 4 to 5 minutes until it is fragrant. And now add the kangkung inside and fry on high heat. Add all the seasoning inside, broth powder, and the sugar. And now can be removed and served immediately. Only a bowl of steamed rice is needed to complete the meal with Kangkung Belacan. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode on the Recipe Kit channel. Bye bye.